Hi guys, this is Claudio Barba, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium. Today I want to show you how to recycle old videos. What does it mean? Let's say you have a very nice video that you did in 2020 and you need it now in 2022. So something like this. So how do we do this? It's very easy. We can do this in After Effects with just some minutes of having fun with the content aware fill and some masks. I'm gonna show it right now to you. Let's jump in After Effects. Here we go in After Effects. So let's say we have already imported our video. What we're gonna do is to create a new composition with this. So let's drag the video over here, and then we have our video in our composition. First of all, we want to select a mask, to put a mask over the part that we want to delete. So let's zoom a little bit on the zero. With the video selected, we want to get the pen tool, and we will draw a mask around our zero in our case. Do as many points as you need, and then we are gonna move from beginning to the end. Yeah, you see that at the end the zero is going a little bit out of the mask. So what we can do is that we can plus some keyframes. So we'll select the mask path. So let's put a keyframe more or less a little bit before it goes out, like this here, and then we move when it starts going out, and we can with the V, for instance, we can just drag our mask like this, so that we see that our mask is following, yeah, and nothing is out of the mask. Okay, great. Now we have to modify this add to subtract. So we want everything except the part that we have masked. Now we can go to the content aware fill part. We can leave alpha extension to 0 if we have exactly the part that we want, and then you can select either the entire duration or the work area. For in our case it is exactly the same, but you maybe want to choose the one or the other, and then select the fill method. In this case, what's working better is the edge blend, but you can try, I mean, the three of them. Normally some method works better in some situation than the others. So, and now when we have done this, we just click on generate fill layer. This will create a new layer with some PNGs, and then this PNG will not immediately, it will take some seconds. It will put you see, in some seconds you see that the PNG has been created for all the frames, and the zero disappeared immediately. So what do we do now? Now we are halfway, more or less. What we need to do is to put a new true in this case. So how can we do this? We can do this by duplicating we can actually, what we will do is to take this 2 here and replicate it right here. So let's duplicate the MP4, the initial video. Let's put it above all because we want the 2 to appear on the top. Then we will create a new mask that will just isolate the 2 here. Okay, so with the M, we have already one mask here, but we don't need this anymore. We can create a new one. So on this new layer, let's select the pen tool, and let's create a mask around the 2 that we want to replicate. Take your time to do something that's working perfectly. Then check that the true is always inside. You see that it's not going inside. You can either modify the initial mask or you can put some keyframe here as well. Let's put some keyframe so that this is the worst case can happen. So let's expand the mask here, mask path. Let's click on the time watch to create a first keyframe and then V and move all the masks here, and this, you see, we have a new keyframe selected. And let's check that, yeah, it's all inside now. If you put the solo, now what you will see, this is our layer in solo mode. We have only the two from start to end. So what we can do now is to change, to move it exactly where we want. And here we go, we can leave it here, for instance. And now let's play. Sorry, let me let me disable the full screen. Voila. And now we can see the final video with the final result with the true instead of the zero. So it's very easy, as you've seen in this case. Okay, the case here, this video is pretty stable. It's not moving a lot, but yeah, we start from the basic as always. So it's just a matter of using the contour to fill in first instance to delete the zero, and then to use another mask to copy a part which is existing in the first video and copy it to replace the zero. So that's it for today. It's a very quick tip, but very useful, I think, for many of you. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel if you want. I'm publishing videos about motion design and After Effects scripts more or less once a week, twice a week, depends on the time I have, as I am a freelance motion designer based in Belgium, Brussels. And yeah, if you like this video, put a like, and see you soon, hopefully next time. Bye.